Have you ever felt like your workshop has taken over your entire garage? Or maybe you only have a tiny corner dedicated to your projects. Today, I want to tell you about a real game changer, the VersaCarve. This compact micro workshop fits right on your desk and is perfect for every maker out there. It allows you to create without needing a lot of space. In this video, we'll explore what makes this product so special, from its features to how it can transform your projects. You'll learn about its power and versatility, making your creative process so much easier. The VersaCarve is a clever modular system, a true all-in-one solution. It offers a variety of functions: carving wood, drilling tiny holes, sawing small pieces, sanding edges smoothly, and even soldering electronics. Imagine having all these tools combined in one small, space-saving unit. That's a game changer. It's built around a single power hub, and you simply attach different modules based on your needs. Whether it's a carving module, a small drill press, a mini saw, or a sanding disc, you can swap them out in seconds. Using this system is a breeze. The controls are straightforward, with adjustable speeds for working on wood, plastic, or even soft metals. Everything clicks into place securely, offering stability and confidence while you work. Plus, there's a built-in light that helps illuminate your workspace, reducing mistakes. The soldering attachment is a fantastic bonus for hobbyists and makers alike, safe, with safety guards and an auto shut-off feature to prevent overheating. Portability is another big plus. You can take it anywhere, ideal for small apartments or dorm rooms. The VersaCarve truly brings professional-level tools into your home, offering a comprehensive solution for anyone passionate about creating. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. We have more exciting videos coming your way soon.
Sandy.